Hey guys, Jeff here at IH Parts America, and I want to give you an update on our CPT roll bar slash show bar for the 72 to 80 or 71 to 80 Scout 2. It's always been made from 2-inch 120 wall DOM material, not HRU. We used to build them in HRU back in the day, but we've been building them out of DOM, which is a much stronger material. What has changed about them is two things. One, on the 45 braces here and this in the center, we've now got a coupler that you can put together. This does two things. It's a much stronger connection, but two, even though the roll bar costs more money to build, and which costs you a little bit more money as the consumer, it is actually now cheaper to ship, because now we can ship these things UPS versus before it was always truck freight. So it's actually saving well over $100 in the end between the typical freight charge and the cost of the roll bar. The other thing that's different, you'll see we have two different bars on this. This is our standard bar that ends up on the wheel well, which allows you to retain factory size, maybe a little bit bigger spare tire in here. On this side over here, on the passenger side, if you bought a bar with this is for the 3-point seat belt for the back seat. So if you had a back seat in here, you would be able to have a capability of putting a 3-point shoulder belt on this. Again, either of the bars will fit with the stock back seat, but some people have been asking about the 3-point, and it'll work for small kids and stuff, but if you're a big adult, that's kind of a, your shoulders are already above the back seat. So that's what we got as part of our CBT bars. Again, they're always made with 1/4-inch feet, as well as the front B-pillar bar. The main hoop bars here do have a lower plate that sandwiches the floor and in an offset manner to help strengthen that area in the event of a rollover. Of course, the roll bar is only as strong as the body to which it's bolted to, so having a rust-free rig and or having extra bracing on there is the way to go if you're going to be seriously off-roading. But for mild stuff, anything that were to happen, a bar, some kind of bar is obviously better than nothing, but at least the bar itself, ones we built, should hold up under most obvious circumstances. So that's the update on our bars, and if you want to pick one up, check out our website on ihpartsamerica.com, as well as, or just give our guys a call and they'll be able to sell you one and get you a quote with shipping. 530-274-1795. Thanks.